Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll meet our worries with gentle kindness, learning to guide ourselves back to a sense of perspective. Start by finding a comfortable seat. Gently close your eyes and let your back straighten without creating tension. Relax your shoulders, dropping them softly away from your ears. And find a restful place for your hands in your lap or on your knees. Now, allow your body to release fully into this moment. Consciously relax any tension you encounter. Soften any gripping in your jaw, your neck and shoulders. Relax your back, your belly, your hips. And now, take a moment to check in. Mindfully feel into sensations. Noticing your mood and emotions. And giving yourself permission to feel whatever you feel. Just letting it be. And now, let your awareness turn to your breath. Take a few expansive inhales. Soft, slow exhales. Feel your ribs and lungs widen in all directions as you breathe in. Let them gently release as you breathe out. Now, settle into an easy breath. Spontaneous, intuitive inhales and exhales. Breathe with awareness. And if your mind begins to wander, with kindness and compassion, come back to your breath once more. Inhaling and exhaling with gentle awareness. If you notice worry or fear arise, approach them with gentleness. Without pushing the worrying away, acknowledge your thoughts, slowly and mindfully meeting the discomfort, and breathing a sense of space around it as you inhale. Infusing softness around your experience as you exhale. Let what is there be present without analyzing it or trying to figure it out. Just feel into the worrying or the fearfulness, acknowledging it and softening your experience with the space of your inhale and the tenderness of your exhale. Now, bring compassion in with every inhale. Breathe ease with every exhale. Compassion on the in-breath, ease on the out-breath. And now, gently widen your attention. Worrying has a purpose. It can help us identify problems, keep us out of harm's way, or show we care. But if we don't stop it in time, worry can easily become excessive, leaving us fearful and anxious. When it becomes chronic, it can wreak havoc in our lives, creating anxiety, interfering with our relationships, and affecting our sleep. Though external circumstances can sometimes trigger us into worrying, it's more of a thought pattern that we get tangled in, losing ourselves in the fear of what might go wrong in the future. And the more we try to fight against worry, the stronger this emotion seems to get. As the saying goes, what we resist persists. Our mindfulness practice offers us another perspective. Rather than trying to block worry or judging ourselves for having fears, when we approach these challenging emotions with ease and acceptance, we can begin to weed through them with more clarity and acceptance. By acknowledging our worries, we unhook from the future and hook back into the present. This allows us to recognize what is actually happening, rather than losing ourselves in what might be. By breathing into the moment and offering ourselves compassion and ease, we stop the stream of thought and call ourselves back to reality. So the next time you catch yourself in a frenzied state of worry, be gentle and loving with yourself. Drop into your breath, acknowledge your fears, and with kindness, call yourself back into the present. Now, take a kind, compassionate breath begin to softly move your hands and feet. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Be gentle with yourself today, and we'll meet back here again tomorrow.